Welcome back to the ASMR Audiobooks. We're going to discuss the psychology of money. Chapter 6. If you haven't listened to previous chapters yet, I highly recommend starting there first to fully grasp the insights and build upon the lessons we've already covered. You'll find essential foundations on how money truly works, not just in numbers, but in human behavior. So before we dive into this next chapter, make sure you're all caught up. Now, let's continue uncovering the timeless principles that shape our relationship with wealth, greed, and happiness. Chapter 6. The hidden role of luck, risk, and uncertainty in money. Chapter 6.1. Why we overestimate skill and underestimate luck. Most successful people say, "I worked hard to get where I am." Success is about discipline and smart decisions. Anyone can achieve this if they try hard enough. But what they often don't say is, I was in the right place at the right time. I got lucky with my timing and circumstances. Things outside of my control worked in my favor. Luck plays a bigger role in success than most people want to admit. Think about Bill Gates. He was brilliant, but so were thousands of other programmers. What set him apart? He went to one of the only high schools in America that had a computer in 1968. That early access gave him a 10-year head start over most people. Now imagine an equally smart programmer in 1968, someone just as skilled as Gates, but born in a different city, at a school without a computer. Would they have had the same opportunity? Probably not. This doesn't mean Bill Gates didn't work hard. It means hard work alone isn't the full story. The world is full of smart, driven people who never had the same lucky breaks. In a nutshell, success is a mix of skill, effort, and luck. Ignoring luck creates a false sense of certainty about success. Chapter 6.2. Why some people lose everything, even when they do everything right. Just like luck can make someone successful, bad luck can ruin someone's financial life. No matter how smart or careful they are. A brilliant entrepreneur starts a business, but the economy crashes. A hardworking investor saves for years, but a sudden medical emergency wipes out their savings. A disciplined worker builds wealth, but an unexpected lawsuit drains their bank account. These aren't cases of bad decisions. They're cases of bad luck. Even the most careful financial plan can collapse because of one unpredictable event. In a nutshell, success isn't always about intelligence. Failure isn't always about mistakes. Luck and risk shape both sides of the equation. Chapter 6.3. The dangerous illusion of self-made success. People love the idea of a self-made millionaire, but no one succeeds entirely on their own. Even the most successful people had parents, mentors, or teachers who guided them. A stable environment that allowed them to focus on growth, opportunities that others didn't have. Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett all worked incredibly hard, but they also had advantages most people never get. Hard work increases your odds of success, but it does not guarantee it. In a nutshell, self-made success is real, but no success happens in isolation. Chapter 6.4. The fine line between risk and recklessness. Risk and reward go hand in hand. Taking zero risks equals no chance of extraordinary success. Taking too much risk equals high chance of losing everything. The best investors, business owners, and entrepreneurs don't avoid risk. They manage it. Take Warren Buffett. He never bets everything on one investment. He avoids trends that seem too good to be true. He focuses on surviving first, winning second. Now look at people who lost everything. Investors who went all in on one risky stock. Business owners who took on too much debt too fast. Lottery winners who didn't plan for the future. Success isn't about avoiding risk. It's about taking the right risks. You could be wrong half the time and still make a fortune if you just manage risk properly. In a nutshell, great investors don't avoid risk. They make sure risk doesn't wipe them out. Chapter 6.5. Why the best time to invest is always uncertain. People are always looking for the perfect time to invest. Should I buy stocks now or wait? What if the market crashes after I invest? I'll wait until the economy is more stable. Here's the reality. No one knows what will happen next. Even expert economists fail to predict recessions and crashes. No one saw the 2008 financial crisis coming. No one predicted the COVID-19 stock market crash and rebound. If you're waiting for the perfect moment, you'll be waiting forever. The best strategy? Invest consistently no matter what. Stay in the market long enough to let compounding do its work. Accept that uncertainty is part of investing and embrace it. The best investors aren't the ones who know the future. They're the ones who survive uncertainty the longest. In a nutshell, if you wait for certainty, you'll miss every opportunity. Chapter 6.6 The Power of Financial Margin of Safety. One of the smartest financial habits? Always leave room for error. Have more savings than you think you'll need. Avoid taking on too much debt, even if things seem safe. Keep cash on the side for unexpected emergencies. Why? Because life is unpredictable. Your job might disappear overnight. Your investments might crash. An unexpected medical bill could drain your account. Having a margin of safety means you won't be wiped out when something unexpected happens. Plan for things to go wrong, even when they seem certain to go right. In a nutshell, always save more than you think you'll need, because risk is always higher than it looks. Chapter 6.7 Why the Best Investors Think Like Historians. If you want to understand the future, study the past. The stock market always crashes, but it always recovers. Real estate prices always have ups and downs, but long-term they grow. Economic recessions happen regularly, but so do economic booms. The key to financial success? Zoom out. Stop focusing on short-term noise. Look at decades of historical trends. Accept that ups and downs are normal, but over time, the market grows. This is why the best investors never panic when things go wrong. They've studied history. They know that market crashes equals buying opportunities. Economic recessions equals temporary. Panic selling equals the biggest mistake an investor can make. The most successful investors aren't fortune tellers, they're historians. In a nutshell, if you understand financial history, you'll never panic about the future. Chapter 6 Summary. The role of luck, risk, and uncertainty in money. Key takeaways. 1. That luck plays a bigger role in success than most people admit. 2. That even smart, hardworking people can fail due to bad luck. 3. That N01 is truly self-made. Everyone benefits from outside help. 4. That risk is necessary for success, but too much risk leads to disaster. 5. That N01 can predict the best time to invest, so invest consistently. 6. That a margin of safety protects you from unexpected financial shocks. 7. The best investors study history. They don't panic about uncertainty. Master the psychology of risk, luck, and uncertainty, and you'll navigate money better than 99% of people. Thank you for listening to ASMR Audiobooks. If you enjoyed this chapter, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss Chapter 7 of the Psychology of Money. Like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications to continue the journey in the next chapter. Stay tuned for Chapter 7, coming up next.